Closing center stage at over 350 knots. Rob Mitchell in the T-33. Now the T-33.
Canadian version is powered by the Rolls-Royce D10 turbojet, whereas the Lockheed production.
Straight up into that beautiful Abbotsford sky that we have here this Saturday afternoon, rolling the aircraft at Kroger roll. This is a clover leaf. During this demonstration, Stretch is going to take the T-33 to its maximum capability. Again, not an aircraft designed for airshow performance. It had other purposes, but with the right hands at the controls, you can get this airplane to do almost anything. Pick up the horizon. He's going to hold on that. Well, he's going to keep coming around in that great big barnstormer's loop. One of the first aerobatic maneuvers you'll learn when you're learning to fly aerobatics. Here's another classic aerobatic maneuver. It's called the Cuban 8. It is a figure 8 lying on its side. And Stretch is going to perform this maneuver right within the confines of the aerobatic box. Here comes the second half of the figure 8. He'll go through about 5/8 of a loop. Before he selects that 45-degree down line, he'll establish that line and then roll the turn T-33 back upright to complete the Cuban
8. As mentioned, has the larger Rolls-Royce engine that extra thrust over the regular United States Air Force version. Scratch's dad was...
What did you think of that, folks? You enjoyed Stretch Mitchell and the T-33? You'd like to see some more? Give them a cheer. Line up with the show line once again and perform for us the very slow roll.